Winter activities. To talk about activities, we use verbs. Verbs are doing words that describe actions. Today we're looking at verbs that describe physical actions like jumping, playing, and eating. Look out for the verbs in each sentence. They are the words in blue. What do you like to do in the winter? I like baking cookies. I like going to parties. I like watching movies. I like building snowmen. This is Tony. Let's find out what he likes to do in the winter. Listen and write down if you think the sentences on the right are true or false. You can pause the video and listen again before we share the answers. Let's hear from Tony.
Hi, I'm Tony the Penguin. In the winter, I love waking up late and spending time with my family. We love watching movies. I like action ones with the fast cars. My favorite thing about winter is going to parties and eating all the cake.
Let's check our answers. Question 1. Tony is a penguin. True! That's correct. Question 2. Tony loves to wake up early. Oh, that's false. He likes to stay in bed late. Question 3. Tony likes watching movies. True! He loves watching action movies with fast cars. Question 4. Tony likes going to parties, but he hates cakes. False! Tony likes going to parties, but he loves eating lots and lots of cake. Well done! What do you like to do in the winter? I like making paper decorations. I like playing in the snow. Check out the snowball fight. I like skiing. I like spending time with my family. Now let's hear from Clara. Let's find out what she likes to do in the winter. Listen and write down if you think the sentences are true or false.
Hi, I'm Clara the Snow Owl. In the winter, I love skiing with my friends and playing in the snow. We even have snowball fights. Though I have lovely warm feathers, I make sure to wear a scarf, gloves, and hat because it can get really cold. Whew.
Let's check our answers. Question 1. Clara likes skiing with her friends. True! Question 2. Clara doesn't like snowball fights. False! She does like snowball fights. Question 3. Clara is a snow owl. That's true. Question 4. Clara only wears a hat when it's cold. That's false. She loves wearing gloves and a scarf too to keep her nice and warm. Well done. What do you like to do in the winter? I like going ice skating. I like walking outside. I like drawing. I like drinking hot chocolate. Now let's listen to Rosie and find out what she likes to do in the winter.
Hello, I'm Rosie the reindeer. I like winter. It's the perfect time to go ice skating and take long walks in the forest. I especially love big mugs of hot chocolate with marshmallows, whipped cream, and lots of sprinkles.
Let's check our answers. Question 1. Rosie is a rabbit. False! She's a reindeer. Question 2. Rosie doesn't like the winter. False! She does. She loves winter. Question 3. She likes whipped cream, sprinkles, and marshmallows with her chocolate. True! And question 4. She likes ice skating. That's true too. Well done! What do you like to do in the winter? I like making gingerbread biscuits. I like knitting. I like eating hot, tasty food. I like reading. Now let's listen to Lars and write down if the sentences are true or false.
Hi, I'm Lars the polar bear. In the winter, I enjoy sitting down in my favorite armchair and reading books, and more books. I prefer the summer more than the winter, but it is good for catching up on my knitting. I even knitted the scarf.
Let's check our answers. Question 1. Lars has a favorite armchair. True! Question 2. Lars doesn't really like reading. Oh, that's false. He loves reading books. Question 3. Lars likes the summer more than the winter. True! And question 4. Lars knitted his scarf. True! Well done! Let's read about Sam and what he likes to do in the winter. Fill the gaps with the words in green at the bottom on your own. You can pause the video before we go through the answers together. Let's read together and fill in the gaps. In the winter, Sam likes playing outside with his friends in the snow. He also likes to go ice skating at the ice rink. In the evenings, Sam likes baking cookies with his mum and watching movies with his brother. Before bed, he likes reading his favorite book and drinking a big mug of delicious hot chocolate. Wonderful! I hope you got all of those. Next, we have a word search about winter hobbies. Can you find the words below and find them in this word search? They might be backwards, upside down, or diagonal. You'll have 30 seconds, or you can pause the video for longer before we show the answers. Good luck! Well done, everyone. Have a think. What activities do you like to do in the winter? You can write down what you like to do and send it to us at Treehouse Learning. We would love to hear from you. Goodbye for now. Wishing you happy holidays. Bye.